Good morning and welcome back. This is Mike and CJ, P&W Off-Road Adventures. Today we'll be doing an install video for AUTVPro.com for taillights for 22 Pro XP 4-seater, CJ's rig, and we'll get started.
Yes, we will.
And here they are right here. The unveiling, veiling, whatever it is.
Smoke color. Pretty cool. I'm excited to get those on. Should be a fairly easy install. You just got three studs and nuts on the back and the wiring plug to take off, and
then we'll check it out. Oh, imagine that.
Yeah.
It's broke. This is perfect timing for you, bud.
Yeah. I think it's going to work out good.
Can't really see what he's doing, but
yeah.
There's a
not much room.
nut up there.
And one back there.
Way back there.
10 millimeter.
So you might have to go to the store and buy a few 10 millimeters, because if it's anything like my garage, I can never find them.
And then another one right here.
There's the clip.
Yeah, the wiring. Yep, just a normal plug.
Get your nuts off.
Yes. You always got to set stuff on the tire and see how much you can
Lose and drop.
Yep.
Okay, we got the screw or the nuts undone. Now he's gonna pop this out. Oh, comes out pretty easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we got a little dirt.
Been buried in the mud a few times.
So we'll get that cleaned up and get back to it. Okay. Alrighty, time to install the new light.
Should be able to just line it up and push in on it. And
Just
bam.
like so, we're done.
That's right.
Almost.
Yep.
Squeeze by the main man.
Nice easy install. I like.
You don't want to over tighten these. Remember, everything's just plastic. Those nuts have a washer with a deal on the back, so once you get them tight, they don't come off. Lock nut kind of deal. Perfect. Plug it in.
There we go.
Fits like a glove.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will.
On to the next side.
Yeah, let's shine it up a little bit. And then we'll do this side and we'll get back to you when we're done. It's the same thing as the other side. Okay, we got both the tail lights in. CJ will turn on the tail lights. Okay, tail lights work. Now hit the brakes. Brakes work good. Flash them a few times. Oh yeah. And that's the install for the AUTV Pro 22 Pro XP taillights. As always, thanks for watching.